What you doing? What you doing, Ryan? Huh?
What are you doing?
Did he just say, hey, Kevin?
Yeah. What are you doing? I know what he wants because he's saying it out there.
He just came right into the house. It's so funny. Huh?
Babysitter, Jimmy.
You want a lollipop?
Jim.
Mom's not around. We'll never know. There's Luca. Are you feeding Luca? Where are you going? Huh? Help me? Did you just say help me? Cake. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, that's a candle. You want to blow it out? There you go. There's no cake. What happened to your lollipops?
Jim, the babysitter's panicking.
She is?
Yeah.
Why? You got a pop? Ryan, you are so funny.
You hear her?
She's calling Matthew. Yeah. Like,
Trash is
Josh,
right there.
trash.
Right there in front.
Here. What's that? Here you go. Ryan, you're such a good kid.
That's garbage. Don't run. Don't let him run with that sucker in his mouth.
Oh, you ready to go?
You can't ride that bike with that sucker in his mouth.
Ryan, you can't ride the bike with the sucker.